In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a box in Axure RP. So, whether you're just getting started with Axure or you're polishing up your design skills, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to launch Axure RP. Make sure you have the software installed on your computer. Once it's open, you'll have the option to start with a new file or continue working on an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, simply click on File and then New. Otherwise, just open your existing project to continue working. Now that your file is open, the next task is to navigate over to the Libraries panel on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you will find a variety of widgets, but for our purpose today, you'll want to select Image from this list. Simply click and drag the image widget onto your canvas, which is your primary workspace. This is where you'll be inserting your image, so be sure to drop it in a spot that works well with your design layout. Once the image box is on your canvas, you might need to adjust its size to suit your project's requirements. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the image box, allowing it to perfectly fit within your desired space. With your image box all set, it's time to configure some settings on the right sidebar. Under Widget Style, there's a drop-down menu where you should make sure Image is selected. This step ensures that the properties and settings you need to adjust pertain specifically to the image widget. When you're ready to add your image, click directly on the image box on your canvas. This action will trigger a pop-up window where you can select an image from your computer. Go ahead and browse through your files, choosing the image that you want to upload. After your image has been uploaded into the image box, you can fine-tune its appearance as needed. Axure gives you quite a bit of flexibility when it comes to customization, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings to achieve the exact look you're going for. Whether it's adjusting the brightness, contrast, or simply positioning your image just right, Axure's tools are designed to help you build your design exactly as you envision it. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your project in Axure RP. It's a simple process, but very powerful in enhancing the visual aspects of your projects. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any changes. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to guiding you through more design tips and tutorials.